Pinypon video! Yay! And I love Pinypon, and it's one of my favourite toys. And one of my first videos on YouTube was about Pinypons, and that was one of the fun fairs and the house. And they're so cute. And I'm going to be opening 2 Pinypon tubes, and it comes with 3 Pinypons. And I'm also going to be opening this Pinypon 4-pack, and what's cool about this is they're basically either princesses or fairy tale characters. So we've got Rapunzel here, Snow White, Alice from Alice in the Wonderland, and also we have Little Red Riding Hood, and there's also the Big Bad Wolf, and also there's a little cute bunny in the corner. Which one should I open? Let's see. Let's do this one. How do you open this? Wow! That was weird. They just came pinging out. Oh my goodness, they're just so cute. Wow, guys. So here's Little Red Riding Hood. So cute. The Big Bad Wolf. And you can turn its head, and Alice. And let's get the other ones out. Ooh, so there's Snow White, and let's get Rapunzel out. And here's Rapunzel, and I love how they made these Pinypons into characters. It's so cool. And here's the bunny, and it looks like you can put something in the bunny's ear, but I don't think you can put anything on the Big Bad Wolf. Let's get the other things out. Let's get this out. Wow, these Pinypons are so cool. Here's the Big Bad Wolf. And here's Little Red Riding Hood, and she has a little hat on that you can actually take off. And here's Rapunzel, and here's Snow White, and right at the end there's Alice, and also the little bunny, but I'm not sure what the bunny's name is. Here's my bunny, but can you let me know in the comments down below if you know the name for this cute little bunny? So now I'm going to mix and match with my Pinypons. First I'm going to start off by putting something in the cute bunny's ear. Let's see. I think that my bunny could have this diamond that Alice has. Just like that. So Alice, she could have, well, maybe she could just have a flower. Just like that. And Little Red Riding Hood, I'm going to take her hat off and put something in her hair. I could just put this little, I think it's sort of a clock in her hair. And I want to show you her other face. Wow, her face looks really shocked. It's probably when she sees the Big Bad Wolf. And let's see Rapunzel's other face. Let's take her hair off, turn her head around. Her face This looks really pretty. And she just had this little brush in her hand, so I'll put it back in. Like she's brushing her long hair. You can just lay down for now. And Snow White's other face. Hers looks a bit like Rapunzel's with the mouth. And she has a long cape on. And Alice, oh, she's winking. Whoa. Looks like Little Red Riding Hood's boots. It has fell off. Let's put it back in. Like she's going to take it to her grandma. That's my 3 parts, and I'm going to start off with this one. So let's open it. Just take the lid off. Now let's pull the Pinypons out. Whoa! Put that just there. Whoa! Look at these guys. Let's start off by taking this one out. And this one's holding a frisbee. I think it's a frisbee. Whoa, his hair fell off. So that's one of them. Let's get another. Oh, and he also has some accessories. I'll get those out. Well, I'll just take the dolls out first. And I got this cute one. And this one, I really like this one. Fell off. That's funny. I'm knocking all of them down. Whoa! No, it went on the floor. Well, here's her head back. That was funny. Pop that back in. Here are my 3 dolls, and now I'm going to start to decorate them with all my accessories. So I'm going to start by putting this frisbee in. And that's about it for the boy. I'll put him back there. Now for this one, I think this one can have this cute little bag. I'm just going to put something on the bag, like this cute little diamond. And I'm also going to put, let's see, this diamond in her hand. I'll put it in, just like that. This one has really high heels on, guys. Now for this one, I'm going to give her a bag too, and a bow can go on the bag. The bow is yellow and the bag's yellow too, and also a little butterfly in her hand. And there's a few extra accessories, but I can actually put one here. Does this one need one? No. So there's just one accessory extra. So now let's open the other pack. Here's this one. And this one's so cute. I love her hair. And look at her heels, guys. I mean, her shoes are nice, but her heels are really high up. Open this one up. Whoa. Let's pull it out. Whoa. It sort of did the same thing as the other one did. These ones have frisbees in their hair. I mean, they might not be frisbees, but they look a bit like frisbees. Because this one here, holding one. These ones are so cute. Whoa, her legs came off. And now her hair came off. That one just came with this one. Whoa! That frisbee came flying out. So let's put the hair back on. Like that, and her bag. Whoa. Just like that. And this one, I'll put this back in her hair. Next to this one. I really like this one's shoes. Wow, this one's so cute. It's got high heels on, and I love her little skirt. And let's get all the accessories out. Now I'm going to dress all my Pinypons up. So I put a hair clip in her hair. So now I'm going to decorate her bag. I'm going to put this diamond on her bag. And also I'm going to put a love heart on her bag. And also, I think I'll just leave that one off and put it in her hand. So that's one done. So now let's do this one. There's not a lot to do on this one. So in her hand, let's do this cute little rose. Just there. Oh, this one's hair fell off. And this one's got a hole in the bag. Her hair keeps on falling off. For this one, I'm going to put this flower on her bag. And then in her hand, she can have this flower. So I think that's everything. And there's 2 accessories extra. Guys, I can't pick a favourite out of all these Pinypons. I love them all. Normally I can pick 1, 2 or 3, but this time I can't. I just love them all. But if you guys have a favourite or love them all, can you let me know in the comments down below? Okay guys, here are all my Pinypons. I love them all. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye. So cool. Open the bee pop. And also on my frog there's a zip on the back so you can take the Chupa Chups out. Or you could just store whatever you like in there. Here's my bunny, but can you let me know in the comments down below if you know the name for this cute little bunny? So now I'm going to mix and match with my Pinypons. First I'm going to start off by putting something in the cute bunny's ear. Let's see. I think that my bunny could have this diamond that Alice has. Just like that. So Alice, she could have, well, maybe she could just have a flower. Just like that. And Little Red Riding Hood, I'm going to take her hat off and put something in her hair. I could just put this little, I think it's sort of a clock in her hair. And I want to show you her other face. Wow, so let's open it. Just take the lid off. Now let's pull the Pinypons out. Whoa! Put that just there. Whoa, look at these guys. Let's start off by taking this one out. And this one's holding a frisbee. I think it's a frisbee. Whoa, his hair fell off. So that's one of them. Let's get another. Oh, and he also has some accessories. I'll get those out. Well, I'll just take the dolls out first. And I got this cute one. And this one, I really like this one. Fell off. That's funny. I'm knocking all of them down. Whoa! No, it went on the floor. Well, here's her head back. That was funny. Pop that back in. Here are my 3 dolls, and now I'm going to start to decorate them with all my accessories. So I'm going to start by putting this frisbee in. And that's about it for the ball. And hanging out. Oh my goodness, they're just so cute. Wow, guys. So here's Little Red Riding Hood. So cute. The big bad wolf. And you can turn its head. And Alice. And let's get the other ones out. Ooh. So there's Snow White. And let's get Rapunzel out. And here's Rapunzel. And I love how they made these Pinypons into characters. It's so cool. And here's the bunny, and it looks like you can put something in the bunny's ear. But I don't think you can put anything on the big bad wolf. Let's get the other things out. Let's get this out. Wow, these Pinypons are so cool. Here's the big bad wolf. And here's Little Red Riding Hood. And she has a little hat on that you can actually take off. And here's Rapunzel. And here's Snow White. And right at the end, there's Alice. And also the little bunny. But I'm not sure what the bunny's name is. Her face looks really shocked. It's probably when she sees the big bad wolf. And let's see Rapunzel's other face. Let's take her hair off, turn her head around. Her face looks really pretty. And she just had this little brush in her hand, so I'll put it back in. Like she's brushing her long hair. You can just lay down for now. And Snow White's other face. Hers looks a bit like Rapunzel's with the mouth. And she has a long cape on. And Alice, oh, she's winking. Whoa. Looks like Little Red Riding Hood's boots. It has fell off. Let's put it back in. Like she's going to take it to her grandma. That's my 3 parts, and I'm going to start off with this one. Hi guys, Tiana here, and today I'm back with another Pinypon video! Yay! And I love Pinypon, and it's one of my favourite toys. And one of my first videos on YouTube was about Pinypons. to be opening 2 Pinypon tubes, and it comes with 3 Pinypons. And I'm also going to be opening this Pinypon 4-pack, and what's cool about this is they're basically either princesses or fairy tale characters. So we've got Rapunzel here, Snow White, Alice from Alice in the Wonderland, and also we have Little Red Riding Hood, and there's also the big bad wolf, and also there's a little cute bunny in the corner. Which one should I open? Let's see. Let's do this one. How do you open this?